Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with failed to enumerate objects in the container. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. We're going to go type in regedit, so regedit, best match, go back to registry editor. If you don't already have it open, we're going to right click on it and then we're going to run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, we're going to go ahead and select yes. Now before you do anything in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it, so if anything went wrong you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would left click on the file tab up at the top left, select export. Save it to a convenient location on your computer after giving it a file name. For file name, usually the date in which you're making the backup is what I would recommend, and export range should be selected to all. Go ahead and select save, and then if you ever need to import it back in, you just would left click on file and then import. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. So at this point, just go ahead and navigate over to whichever folder you're experiencing the problem with. So again, just go ahead and expand again whatever folder you're having the problem with here. And you want to go ahead and just right click on whatever key you're having the issue with. So right click on it and then select permissions. Again, I'm just using this folder as an example, but you can select a different folder. So you want to go ahead and select all application packages and then select advanced. And then you want to select the change option up here. For enter the object name to select, start typing in your username here. So just do it to the best of your knowledge and then select check names. This should get the actual name. It will be slightly different than what you actually think it is, so go ahead and just type that in right there. Go ahead and select OK. Select OK again. Now underneath full control, after you've selected your user account, so you might want to scroll down here. So now you want to select the username here, so users, and then it should have a desktop in here as well. Go ahead and select that, and then underneath allow, you want to check mark where it says full control, and then go ahead and select apply and OK. Once you're done with that, you should be able to go ahead and edit the registry entries that are contained within that key. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.